We got Whitey parked by the great plastic rock wall. And we got to drive past the, I don't know what you call it, the tripod of doom. That's what we call it, the tripod of doom. Oh, and I'm about to run over to the daggone where they hit your horses up at. Daggone, that would upset somebody. Alrighty, now we're gonna go back here and I gotta watch for guide wires. They go back and forth, there's a rope swing and whatever that thing is. And the baby jousting is over there where they do the jousting. And there's some kind of power pole or something there. And I gotta go around by the daggone fancy pants bridge over there, and I gotta cut some trees before they fall on the daggone bridge over there, because the bridge is a real nice bridge, and there's some trees kind of threatening it. Alright, that's what today is gonna be. Today, we're on the challenge course. You're not entered. Songs of Silence. Getty's got me on this stupid Disturbed song. She goes, you should have been around the 60s. All right, I went around the 60s. I'm sorry. Jeez. This is the archery range in the backside. Said I wasn't around the 60s, but today when there's a crybaby song, you call it a crybaby song. That's it. I don't know. The Sounds of Silence sounds like a crybaby song. That's all I'm saying. People sounding like crybabies. I don't know. I'm just saying, it just sounds like sounds like one of them songs where some little pussy gets feeling sorry for himself and he makes a song crying about himself. I just hate crybaby songs. I don't know. It sounds good. Don't get me wrong. It's a good sounding song. Oh, Sounds of Silence. That sounds good. It's deep. Sounds like if you're smart, you'd understand some things about it. You know, be cool and stuff. But I've never been accused of that, so I don't get it. Through what we're gonna call Rip Rap Ravine. They got rock and everything, and rebar and everything. Love it. Love driving through stuff like that. I bet the bottom falls out. As soon as I get in here, I'm going to fall in. And my saw blade's going. My saw blade has a concrete magnet on it. So if there's rebar or concrete, my blade just attracts to it. I got an oil pipe stuck on my blade yesterday where it was stuck on my blade, throwing sparks and just crying. I couldn't get it off. It was going, eat all the carbide off my teeth. Oh, I was aggravated. They just got this done. They tore a building down there the other day. This old boy come into the dumpster. Scott said he ripped the side out of the dent in or something. He had a little dent in it. He destroyed it. It sounded bad, whatever it was. And they put the 53s down. I'm going to pull that double ash over there's dying. I'm going to carry it over here and throw it out of the way and stuff and get started here. I'm probably going to go ahead and turn my GoPro on because I got enough feetage to make it through so I don't die on me. Howdy! What we got going on there? Okay, we're good. We're going to start this big ash. He's threading that bridge over there. You see that fine bridge? That nice bridge. So we're going to rev her up one time. Now look how much backlean it's got. Holy Jesus. I'm not cutting the other side. I'm going to push it out and pull it out of the roots. Because I'm going to need that to hold on. That is a good little fall down there. It's about a 15-foot drop if I slide a tire down there. I think I can put the top right over there where I can reach the top of the slump top. Alright, it goes nothing. It goes! Oh, man. My stomach's already starting to get uneasy for the day. That is great. I ain't got the power to lift it. Alright, come on. Come on. Come on. Don't you fall backwards. I put my fingers down here. Alright, here goes nothing. There it is. Look at that. She's a beaut, Clark. Right in there. Beautiful. Oh, I broke that white oak tree, but I have to hand top that one. That's the sound. And they said that dead thing, they don't want that falling on nobody, so I'm gonna try to take it out. Let's see if I can get down there to take it out. And the sounds of silence. the bunchers I can. Cause I got my Velcro bottom jeans on. The boots with the fur. Everybody in the club looking at her. She hit the floor, next thing you know. Shorty got low, 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 low. Shorty got low. She got way down there. I'll quit singing. Okay, what I'm gonna do is, it's got enough lean out this way. Alright, I got a plan. I'm gonna use this tree for my out of bounds. So, oh, look at the pipe and stuff sticking out. Lovely, lovely. And I'll get more metal in here. Let's see. Let me do something like here. I'll just do this. It's hollow on the bottom anyways. I ain't too worried about the tree. Yeah, I think I can live with that. See if I can back my butt in there. Oh yeah, I think I can live with this. And you want me to take out that walnut? I just pressing my teeth up. I'm going through that metal somewhere today, I promise you. Oh, I'm gonna throw a little baby tantrum too when I hit metal. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think we're good. Yeah, I think we're good. We're gonna find out. No, we're not good. Alright, let's see if I can back out. Do one of them numbers. Oh, baby, this sucker got some side lean. Go, baby, go. It ain't gonna make it. That ain't bad. Ain't good, though, but it ain't bad. It wasn't as hollow as I was expecting. But look, my whole meat over here is about, yeah. Copy that, driver. Calm me down. That would have went better if I'd have hand cut it. If I wasn't lazy on that one, that would have went better. But it all pays the same, driver. It all pays the same. Let's see. There was a golf cart sitting there yesterday and they still ain't moved it. I'm going to back over that thing, I promise you. Alright. Scott, I hope I don't hit your golf cart, buddy. Lieutenant Buns, wow. Okay, initial cut is made. Is it hollow? Can't see. Didn't act hollow. Wow, look at the back lane. I should have looked at that before I stabbed in it. Look at the back lane. There's a kid standing there. What's he want? Yeah, he's gonna move the golf cart. Okay. Oh, that's Roger. Yeah, there's a kid standing there, all right. Oh God, Dory, I hate this. I hate this right here. This I do not like. I do not like this tree. But we're gonna, it's gonna be like a band-aid. We're gonna rip it off and we're not gonna think about it. the golf cart with it. Look at them alloy wheels it's got on it. Nice. I got a golf cart with alloy wheels on it. And with alloy wheels. If I get through this morning without a heart attack, I will consider today a victory. Alright. Here goes nuts. What a big tree. Alright, can't lift it. Back up. There goes nothing, honey. Come on, buddy. Nothing. Well, okay. Going for another cut. Hey, it moved a little bit. I think I can rock it and get it to move now. Go, baby, go! Nope, not happening. Hey, we're going! Go, baby, go! I ain't giving up. It's going. Alright, we're going. We got it. Woo! That was nerve-wracking. That was very, very nerve-wracking, driver. I'll get the old tiger slip on this side and she'll roll right in there. And the sounds of silence. You ready? Here goes nothing, Jack. Go, baby, go. Look at that. Look at them apples. Applesauce. All right. I'll shut this down. Me and Roger Dodge and make a plan. Run over an AC unit.
I wasn't scared with you.
Yeah, I was way up. Let's go back on the golf course then.
I thought, well, hell, why move the golf cart? I'm gonna smash the house anyways. I got you set up to come through a hole over there and start plucking out that way.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the buttons and leave me likes, comments, stuff. Let me know what's up. And to anybody's wanting Logger Wade gear, go to loggerwade.com and help yourself at the shop there. And we got all that good mess. Take care of it. And mostly just want to say thanks, everybody. Hope everybody has a good one later on.